Hey, brain performance geniuses! Welcome back to another beautiful round of brain knowledge. This session covers the think, feel, act cycle, which underpins metacognition. The think, feel, act cycle is a framework that you can use to understand how and why you feel the way you do. It's also a tool that you can use to change the way you think and act. Most of human behavior and experiences take place unconsciously, meaning you aren't aware of why you feel or act the way you do. By learning how the human brain works, you become conscious of what is taking place inside of your brain and how this influences what you experience in life. Keep in mind that our thoughts are always optional and can be changed, and this is where our power resides. We think rationally, we feel emotionally, we act motivationally. If you want to change the results you're getting in life, you have to change what you're thinking. In conclusion, what we think about and the energy or intensity of these thoughts directly influences our health, the choices we make, and ultimately our quality of life. In our next session, we will touch base on quantum physics, the various brain waves and associated states of consciousness, as well as the famous flow state. Have a wonderful rest of your day.